Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is data analytics in automation systems, that is manufacturing case studies. So, I am Karthi N, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechatronics at SNS College of Technology. So, we will understand how data analytics is transforming modern manufacturing. The major key components that we are going to use is the real world benefits and successful case studies. So, let's begin with the introduction. So the introduction is majorly refers to the systematic use of data to drive smarter decision in the manufacturing environments. So the three key aspects you see here are critical. That is data driven decision making, moving from intuitions to evidence based on choices, and integration with automation systems, that is collecting the sensors, PLCs and SCADAs with the analytic platforms. So the real-time monitoring analysis is used to detecting the issues as they happen rather than after they occur. So the three major key aspects together shift manufacturing from the reactive to the proactive operations. So followed by the key components of data analytics in manufacturing is the data collections, data processing, data analysis, and data visualization. So any successful data analytics is implementation rests on these four components. So for the data collection, we can using the IoT sensors, machine logs, and the quality inspection systems. So for the data processing, we can using the cleaning the data and integrating data and storing the data, that is the ETL purpose, that is we are using for the data processing. So for the data analytics purpose, we are going to applying for the statistical methods to find the range and the standard deviation between the data values what we are getting from the collections and processing part, and also it will be used for the machine learning algorithms. So the final part is the data visualization. So the dashboards and the reports that make the insights actionables for operators and the managers. So data visualization is nothing but what we can visually see from the data what we are collecting and analyzing. So without any of these, the entire pipeline will be failed. So strong foundation in these components is the essential part for the data analytics. So followed by the major benefits of data analytics in the manufacturing automation is basically on improved efficiency, enhanced quality, cost reduction, predictive maintenance, better decision making. So why should industries invest in this? So we have to invest on data analytics because we have to optimize the machine utilization and reduce the idle time. That will help to improve the efficiency of the manufacturing, and also to early detection of the defects, that will be useful for enhancing the quality of the manufacturing products, followed by the lower maintenance and scrap cost, that will benefit more economically. So and we have to fixing the problems before the breakdown occurs, that will be comes under the predictive maintenance part. And for the better decision making, we have to collecting the real-time data at all levels of the organization. So the companies are adopting these practicals typically to see the 50 to 15 to 40% improvement across these metrics. So by using the machine learning in manufacturing, that will be able to sustainability and also enhance the flexibility of the operations for the data analytics in the manufacturing automations part. So we can see a case study, that is the predictive maintenance. So let's look at real examples. So case study 1, we are going to see an automotive manufacturing problem. So frequently unexpected equipment failure causing production halts. The solution will be the IoT sensor installed on the critical machines, feeding the data into analytics platform for the vibration, temperature, and the wear analysis. So the results what we are going to get will be 30% reduction in the downtime. So this is a classical example of moving from preventive maintenance to the predictive maintenance, saving some millions in the lost production. So followed by the second case study will be the quality control. So we can take it an example of electronic manufacturing problem. So the high rate of quality defects leading to the network and customer complaints. The solution what we are going to provide is the real-time monitoring system using machine vision and statistical process control analytics. The result will be 45% reduction in the defects. So this shows how data analytics combined with automation can dramatically improve the product quality and the brand reputation. And the third case study will be the product optimization. For example, we can take a food processing industry problem. So low productivity and inconsistent output. So the solution what we are going to provide is the processing the optimization using advanced analytics on production line data. So this will be results in the 25% increase in the throughput. So every traditional industries like food processing are benefiting hugely from these technologies. So across automotive, electronics and food sectors, we can clearly key the ROI. And the mind map summarizes the entire ecosystem. At the center, we can see the core concepts. Surrounding them, we have the IoT sensor, machine learning, predictive analysis, and the real-time processing and the decision support system. So all these elements work together. Data from sensor is processed in the real time using machine learning models to support timely decisions. So walking through the mind map branches using the pointer, this slide is visually rich. Spend the time on it. So the recap. To recap the important takeaways, data quality is the basic and the foundational part of the data analytics. So seamless integration with the IoT and automation systems is very necessary. So the real-time analytics delivers the biggest competitive advantage. The case studies prove that measurable business outcomes are achievable. These are not future concepts, they are being implemented successfully today. So in the summary part, data analytics transforming the manufacturing from traditional automation to intelligent automation and self-optimizing system. So the future trends to watch is the deeper AI and machine learning integration, edge computing for faster local decisions, and digital twins for virtual simulation and techniques, and a culture for continuous improvement. So data analytics is not just a tool, it is the backbone of industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing. Thank you all.